This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with Essentials. Make sure you have administrator access on the device and export bookmarks and saved passwords so nothing is lost. Once that's confirmed, open the browser's policy page. For Chrome, type Chrome://policy and note active entries. You do this to see which settings are enforced remotely versus locally. After noting policies, close unnecessary tabs and copy policy names into a text file so you can remove them methodically in the next steps. Now you'll remove local policy sources. On Windows, open Regedit and navigate to the browser keys under HKLM and HKCU, then export before deleting suspicious policy values. If on Mac OS or Linux, delete policy JSON files in /library or /etc directories respectively. Once done, restart the browser in safe mode to confirm changes. You should also inspect extensions and any enterprise enrollment entries, because managed status can persist through an installed extension or an enrollment token that needs removal. Finish by rebooting the machine and launching the browser. Go back to the policy page and verify no enforced entries remain. If the device was enrolled in an MDM or company portal, remove enrollment from system settings or the portal app and then reboot again. Make sure to re-enable Signed in Sync only after you confirm policies are gone. If management persists, examine system logs and revisit system-wide policy files or enrollment tokens. That is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.